Alright, so guys, we are gonna make a trouser double back pocket, double words pocket. So double words pocket design. So we are going to stitch it. So we gotta show you the design. Gotta show you the measurement of it. So it's 2, and both the design, both the fabric that we are going to use to design it is the same inches. So we're gonna show you how we measured it. So this is the width of the back pocket is 5¼ inches, and the length is 5 inches, 5 and 1 inch. And so this right here is 2, so this is 2, it's the same measurement, right? So we are making a double back pocket of a trouser. So this right here, when we open it, this is the back, this is the place that's gonna go inside, and we have folded onto it, and it's like 1½ inches. It's like a 1½ inches. I hope you are seeing it. And we have folded it into 2 to make it this way, to make it a 1/4 inch, as you can see right here. A 1/4 inches, as you can see right here. Same to this one. This is actually same thing. So we are going to use, so we are going to join it. We are going to stitch it on the 1/4 inch on the mouth of the 5¼ inch to the end part. Same to this one. So let's get it done. Let's quickly get it done. So we are going to stitch it on where it's open, where the place is open. So we are going to stitch it from there, from a 1/4 inch to the end part. So please watch it carefully so that you're able to see exactly how I'm stitching it. So we are stitching it on a 1/4 inch. We are stitching it on a 1/4 inch to the end part. To the end part. So we are going to stitch this one too. The same way we did this one, we are going to stitch it. We're gonna make the open place go to where we are stitching it. The place that is open is going to go the place that we are stitching it. So we are stitching it on a 1/4 inch. 1/4 inch. Straight from the top to the end part. From the top to the end part. Straight from the top to the end part. So guys, we have done stitching this part, right? So guys, we have done stitching this part. So we gotta cut the excess thread. We gotta cut the excess thread. We gotta cut the excess thread and excess fabric that we have stitched so far. And so we are going to fold it upper like this. We are going to fold it upper. So we're gonna make it like this. We're gonna make it like this, and we're gonna iron it. Both the two. We're gonna make it like this, and we're gonna iron it. Both the two. We're going to iron it and to make it go upper like this. So let's go and iron it and come and show you the next part. All right, so after ironing both the two, this is actually how it's looking. So we are going to turn both the two back like this. So we want the width to be 4 inches and the length to be 4 inches. So we are going to mark it and fold it just to get the way we want it to be. So we are going to mark 4 inches right here. We are going to mark 4 inches right here, as you are seeing it. The same way we are going to do this one. So we are marking this one, and we gotta mark 4 inches on the down part. So we got a left a folding allowance for both the sides. So this folding allowance for this one is too big, so we are going to cut some part of this. Same way we are going to do the other one. The same way we are going to do the other one. So this is actually how it's going to look. This is exactly how we are going to do it. We are going to draw it like this. So from a 4 inches to a 4 inches. So we are going to draw it like this. We're going to draw it like this, and to draw this part too. To draw this part too like this. We want it to be a 4 inches at the length and 4 inches at the width. So we are drawing it. So when we're going to fold it, it's going to be so easy for us to fold it to get the right thing that we want it to do. So this is actually how you will draw it. So as we have drawn it, we're going to fold this part onto it like this, and iron it, and fold this part onto it like this, and iron it and fold the down part onto that like this and iron. Same way we are going to do this one. So we are going to what, iron it and come and show you the next part, or the how it's looking. And so guys, after ironing the both sides, this is actually how it's looking. So we are going to put it on the what, the trouser back, the right and the left. So we are going to bring it and put it on it and to stitch it. So we are going to remove it first. We're going to remove it first and bring one of the trousers. That is this is the what, the left. This is the left. So we are going to measure and put it on it where it's supposed to be, and put it on where it's supposed to be. So we are going to measure the length to be what, 2 inches. We are going to measure the length to be 2 inches and the width to be 4 inches that we have made it. So through the duct we are going to measure, we are going to divide it into 2. That is 2 inches plus 2 inches to make it 4 inches because of the duct right there. So this is actually how we are going to mark it. So the same way we have this, the same way we have do this way, the same way we have done this one is the same way we are going to what, done the other one. So we are going to put it on it like this. So we have marked and measured it so that it shows us how to do it. It shows us how to go about it. So we are going to what, put the office pin on it and to what, and to start stitching it, right? So guys, we are putting the office pin onto where it's supposed to be. So guys, this is actually how it's going to do. So we are going to do the same, the other one, the same way we have done this one. So we are going to stitch from this part to this part onto the top part. So let's get it done, and we are going to do the side, the other one, the right one, the same way we are doing this one. So don't forget about that. So we are stitching it. So we are stitching it from the top to the down, straight to the other top there, straight to the other top there, to make the what, the back pocket, to make the back pocket. So we are turning it, and we are stitching a straight line, and we are stitching a straight line straight to the top part, straight to the top part. Go further. So you gotta stitch it so that after sewing it, gotta stitch it so that the thread is not gonna remove. Thread is not gonna be removed. So guys, we gotta cut the excess thread from it, and cut the excess thread, and we gotta open the gotta cut the excess thread and remove the what, office pin, the same way we are going to do the other one. So please watch the result. This is how to do the what, this is how to stitch the back pocket of the trouser, the left trouser. So this is how to stitch the back pocket. So if you like this video, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on the post notification, share and like, comment, share this video. Let's trend this video. See you in the next video. This is actually how to make the back pocket or the Welt pocket.